Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Capital.com. First, open the Capital.com app and go to the Markets tab. Tap More at the bottom right. Next, select Payments under the Personal section to see your available balance. Tap Withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and click Done. Select your linked bank account or card. If you haven't linked one yet, tap Add Bank or Card and enter your details. Finally, click Confirm to submit your withdrawal. Your funds will show as pending and should reach your account within 1 business day, depending on your bank. And that's it. That's how to withdraw money from Capital.com quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.